we got our chickens here. We're gonna get them out. You can see they're in this little blister pack, just like a pack of ribs or a brisket. So we're gonna get them opened up, release that purge. I got a bag here, big giant Ziploc bag I was using earlier, that I'm throwing out, and that's what I'm gonna release the purge in. See what I got here? Get them out, release the purge. See that? Got a, all right, you wanna check and make sure all the giblets and gizzards and all that are gone. So, alright, now that we got the purge released and got our birds dried off, now we're ready to add our seasoning. You know me, the AP, so seasoned salt. We'll hit it with some garlic. And we'll come behind and hit it with a little bit of either some Mrs. Dash chicken flavor, or you can go with the Montreal chicken. We're gonna add our slather or our smear, basically a binding agent. This also gives you opportunity to really work in those seasonings. The wings are still out like so. We're gonna give it a light coat for the rub. This is our own rub here, will be available on our website. I'll let you guys know. This is my first batch. I got my bottles in. I want to make sure that the holes are properly or large enough to get the, I want to make sure the holes work with the seasoning, that you can easily shake it out without overly caking up your food if they're too big, or you have to shake it real hard because they're too small. So trying this out. Everything's a go, and we'll get our batch in with they'll be ready for the general public. But these are the prototypes. Alright, and we got that done. A little pat. And then we're gonna take these wings, pull them back like so. That way they're out of the way, and also you'll have even cooking. Repeat the process. Seasoned salt, garlic powder, and then your choice of the Mrs. Dash chicken seasoning or the Montreal chicken. And here comes the smear or the slather. This is canola oil. You can use peanut oil, mustard. All we need is something for the rub to stick to, and we're gonna use this as an opportunity to work in all of our seasonings. So rub here. Light coat. We don't want to go too heavy, just light. Alright, next step would be getting ready to go into the smoker. We got a preheated smoker, about 250 degrees. We got some cherry wood burning in there along with the coals. As far as the charcoal goes, I primarily use Kingsford for our longer cooks. If I was using, cooking something that required a little bit faster cook, I'd probably go with a lump charcoal. But if you're using Kingsford with some cherry wood in there, and we'll be all right. In the cans, I got them prepped for the cooking apparatus. I added a couple extra holes for venting. So also to the cans, we're gonna add a little bit of the AP, which is, you know, garlic powder. This is about a teaspoon of each, or half. Let's go half teaspoon of each. Just help the insides get the same flavor profile we put on the outside. So, all right, in there. Now we're ready to get them ready to go into the cooker. Have our apparatus here, like so. And these are the ones I have. I mean, I like these better. I ain't gonna worry about the can getting crushed, and they'll sit on there nice and neat. Also, one step further, half an onion, cut it in half, and you got a wedge. I'm not sure what we do with that afterwards. So let me glove up and we'll get these babies on here. Be right back. All right, we're gonna get them ready to get on there. Real simple. Set them on the apparatus like so. Always tend to have the legs up front like so. Should look like that. No rhyme or reason, that's just me. And you guys. On the tops, we're gonna get a little bit seasoning on the top, the parts that didn't get seasoned. Pretty much on those, I just go with the AP, garlic powder, and the seasoned salt. And why not hit a little bit of the rub? Just a little bit. For that color. Gotta have that color. Alright. Now the onion. Put them in the top just like that. Alright. Had them in the drum. These are pretty much close. Got a probe in there. It was getting close to them being done. And halfway through the cook, did rotate them. Had the breasts facing each other, and then just rotate them out so they get even color, even cooking. And we'll be back. All right, YouTube, here we are. Got them done out the smoker. We're gonna give them a chance to rest. We're gonna put a little tin around them. Give them a chance to rest, and then we'll slice into them. We'll be back. YouTube, we back. Chickens are rested. Let's see what we're working with here. Right, here we go. Look at that. Look at what we looking like. Yeah. Right. Real simple. We can quarter this baby. we have a YouTube beer can chicken. Real simple recipe. Some crafted beer from BJ's Brewery. This is their committed double IPA. Phenomenal results. Gotta give it a little taste there. That's awesome. This is perfect. You can pull it completely off the bone. Make pulled smoked chicken salad, and just step your game up to the next level. People will just rave over your chicken salad, over this chicken here, just sliced up and served the way it is. Nice crispy skin, phenomenal taste on the inside. Because man, just awesome. You gotta try this for yourself. Alright YouTube, that was our take on beer can chicken. Easy recipe, feel free to adapt it to your own taste, your own liking. This is also a first for Jimmy's Barbecue. We're sponsored by BJ's Brewery, who supplied the brew. This is their committed double IPA. Phenomenal results. If you're ever in the Fort Wayne area, feel free to come check them out. 245 West Coliseum. They have over 40 brews on tap. They also, of the 40, 13 of them are their own recipes. So come check them out. They also have a large selection of burgers and pizzas. Feel free to subscribe. Check out our other social media channels, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And hey, keep them burning.